Hello and welcome to JavaScript Programming Language course for beginners. This is an introduction to JavaScript course. Here you'll see the source and reference for this video. I hope you'll be able to follow along this JavaScript course. The prerequisites for this course are the following: Sublime Text Editor and a web browser. As you watch this video, please bear in mind about our ESLRs. And these are right thought, right communication, right attitude, right conduct, and right lifestyle. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Section 9, JavaScript and Images. Lesson 9.2, Creating New Images with JavaScript. We can create a new image with JavaScript. We add an SRC part for each image we create. To get some practice with creating images, we're going to code a simple image scroller. It looks like this. The idea is that we click one of the arrows and a new picture appears. There are lots of ways to do this, but we're just trying to illustrate the use of JavaScript image creation here. The image has had an onClick event added to it. It is calling a function with the name of scroll forward. The other arrow image is in cell 3. The function for its onClick event is called scroll backward. The cell in the middle holds the larger picture. The SRC says pick one JPG. We're going to be changing this SRC when either of the arrows is clicked. Note that we also have a name attribute called pick1. We'll need this to reference the image. For a complete list of codes and classwork in this lesson, please check Google Classroom. Thank you.